Okay, next is retrieving data from all rows. That means for retrieving data from all rows. So for all rows, even we can make use of this all keyword. But see, what is the difference between all and then distinct? If we write the keyword all in place of distinct, then the result of select query displays all the values including duplicate values. That means suppose we have written all in place of distinct keyword, so the result which we will be getting after select statement, so the result which we will be getting after select statement in case of all will include duplicate values, right? And if we have written distinct keyword, so in case of distinct keyword you will be getting simply non-duplicate values. So if we have written all in place of distinct, so the output in case of select statement and in case of all will include duplicate values, which will not happen in case of distinct. So just remember this difference. Okay. Next is arithmetic operators. I think we all know what is arithmetic operators, which simply performs mathematical calculations, mathematical operations. They are plus, minus, asterisk, slash, and then modulo. Right? I think modulo is clear to you all. It is simply a remainder operator. That means simply when we divide two numbers, and if we want to fetch the remainder, so we make use of this modulo or modulus or remainder operator. Okay, now let's see how this arithmetic operator works. See what I have written. Suppose, let's take an example. We have a table. Table name is student, and there we have a column named as marks. I simply want to increase every student's marks by 5. So query will be select. See, query will be select marks plus 5 from student. Don't get confused with the word is marks 1, because in the table column name was marks 1. Okay, so it is select marks 1 plus 5 from student. So every student's marks will be incremented by 5. Here you can find earlier it was 93 and so on. So from here you can find it is 98 and every marks is increased by 5. So directly you can make use of arithmetic operator in such format. Okay. Likewise, some more examples are given here. It is written select name comma marks plus 0.5 of the marks. That means what user has done. User has taken 5% of the marks and added to the marks column. As well as they have displayed the name. So select name marks 1 plus 0.05 of marks from student. Likewise here we have second and third example. I think this will be clear to you all. Okay, just have a look onto this. Next is what, suppose if simply have any arithmetic we simply want to do some arithmetic calculation. Okay, so just we can add in this format also. It is select 7 asterisk 3 plus 1. Say I have not written from table name because 7 asterisk 3 plus 1 is simply a number. Okay, so directly if I have written in this format, so I told what is written after select will be displayed in MySQL in the output format. So obviously we will be doing this calculation part, the answer will be 22. Okay, likewise select 71 plus 34 comes out to be 105. You will be getting your answer as 105. Okay, next is using column alias. Simply means what? Suppose we have a table and table we had a column marks. I want to change it to marks secured. So here we make use of as keyword. Just have a look on this example. It is select marks 1 as marks secured from student. I have written marks secured onto double quotes because this is the new name which I am giving. Okay, so the column name is changed to marks secured. See, marks 1 as marks secured. Here as is the keyword. So when you will find the output, see here you can find marks secured, and then now column name has been added and it will be marks secured. So from here you can find this is the table. Okay, and table they have a column marks. Now it is written as marks secured. Okay, if you skip as keyword, so it is optional. Actually as keyword is optional. If you skip it, you can add in this format. Select marks within double quotes marks secured from table. So exactly we will be getting exactly same output. This, I think this should be clear to you all. Next we will be dealing in the next video.